Today we're pulling a southern twist on a classic with the Kentucky Mule. This delightful cocktail takes the refreshing elements of a Moscow Mule and infuses them with the rich and smooth elements of bourbon from Kentucky. So to make this drink, you'll need to use bourbon. As always, I love my Bullet bourbon, and it wouldn't be a Kentucky Mule unless it's bourbon, because you can only get bourbon from Kentucky. You'll also need freshly squeezed lime juice. I've already freshly squeezed mine, and I use these bottles because it's easier to pour out of. Next, you'll need ginger beer. I love these 5-ounce cans. They're perfect for individual cocktails, and it wouldn't be a mule without a copper mug. And once you master this simple cocktail, you'll be the star of your next party. First, we're adding the 2 ounces of bourbon. Now let's add the 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Next, I pour in roughly 4 ounces of ginger beer, but if you pour the whole small 5-ounce can, it's totally fine. And lastly, I gently stir around the mug like so. And there you have it, the very simple and very southern Kentucky Mule. Cheers. That is so smooth. I love this refreshing southern twist on a classic. As far as all the mules are concerned, this is by far my favorite out of all of them. And if you enjoyed this video, and more importantly, enjoy making delicious cocktails, please be sure to hit that subscribe button as I put out new videos each week. And in the comments, let me know what you'd like me to make next, and I'll try to make that for future videos. Also, let me know what your thoughts are on this cocktail in general. Would you try it? Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know. And until next time, cheers.